These are the pros and cons of the drone e-bike from Buzz. Starting off with the first con is it has mechanical brakes instead of hydraulic brakes. I typically prefer hydraulic brakes because they're easier to squeeze and they feel way more comfortable. But one of the advantages of mechanical brakes is they are more affordable. So the e-bike in general is more affordable as well. At the time of this recording, this e-bike only comes in at $900, which is really reasonable for a moped style e-bike that comes in under $1,000. So that's a pro for this. One of the cons with it is the seat is locked in place, but that's a con with any moped style e-bike. So if you don't like moped style e-bikes, just opt to get a different e-bike altogether. But that could be looked at as a con, but one of the pros is it just looks cool. I feel like this is a sweet looking motorcycle style e-bike that has a nice large seat on it. It has gum wall tires that are fat tires and also has good tread on them. The paint color is awesome. It comes with a nice large retro style headlight. So the overall appearance of a bike like this is just cool looking in my opinion. Another con of this e-bike is the range is just kind of so-so. They advertise a max range of 40 miles on one trip, but realistically I was probably more around 25 miles on one trip, but that's probably because I use the throttle quite often. I think in general most moped style e-bikes, I feel like I use the throttle way more than actually pedaling because it just feels more comfortable than pedaling. I think because the seat usually sits a little bit lower, so they just typically feel better when you throttle and zip around on them. So that is one thing to know about this. But just know that 20 miles on a bike ride is still a long ways to go and it's still very enjoyable. So don't let that deter you because that still is a very long time to be on a bike. Another thing that I really like about this, a pro, is that it's a UL certified battery, which is great. And also another pro is the comfort. It comes with front suspension, fat tires, a comfortable seat. So all those things make for a good riding experience. And I think that's about it. Those are the main cons and pros that I see with this. It comes with integrated lights. It comes with a clean screen layout. And that's it. It comes with fenders. I'm just rambling at this point, but those are the majority of the pros and cons that I see, or the major ones that I see. So there it is. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to learn more about this bike. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.